Thanks to Hurricane Ricky Skerritt, which is currently sweeping across West Indies cricket. Former batsman Ramla Risawan was appointed as some kind of batting mentor for the team going into the World Cup. The theory being that our modern batsmen don't rotate the strike enough and need to run more singles and twos and threes and blah, blah, blah. Another cliched theory that is not supported by mathematics, in that 6 singles and no dot balls is 6 runs for the over, while 1-4, 1-6 with 4 dot balls is 10 runs for the over. So more singles could effectively mean less runs per over. Then there is a cultural dynamic in that these are the days of T20 cricket, and the West Indies is the epicenter of T20 cricket talent, producing several world-famous boundary hitters, a propensity that is fueled by our natural strength, power, and athleticism. So to convert the modern West Indian batsman into single-seeking tacticians could destroy their natural game. So for sure, we need the odd traditional batsman in the order, but boundary hitting are our thing. Perfect example. The West Indies competed with and almost beat the #1 ranked England in the recent ODI series. Not because we took more singles, but mainly because one, Christopher Henry Gale bludgeoned over 400 runs in 4 innings at an average of 106 with a strike rate of 134. I don't remember the universe boss taking much singles in that series. What I remember was seeing the cricket ball fly like plane.